All right, so if you guys are Dodger fans, then you guys know about Bobblehead Night that they had Yoshi. Um, Now, if you guys go to eBay, it's about $350. It's something that if you're collectible and you just want to display them, then there's another way you can get some like this. Now, this video is only for educational purposes. It's not going to be distributed. We're not selling any of the products. It's only to teach people how to convert into 3D and make your own bobblehead. So we're going to take this as reference to what we're going to create. So let's go ahead and do that. I surfed the internet and I needed a couple of profiles to create bobblehead and found a couple of them. And here's one of them. That's a side profile. That's perfect. We wanted to see the glove, the ball, and everything. So I surfed. I was just surfing the internet, and what I'm going to do is go to Paint, right, or actually Photo. Just use your Microsoft Photo. If you're using Mac, it's different. So under Microsoft, they added all these new AI tools and stuff like that. Now we go into Edit and Designer. It's included with it. It's free. You click on this. So we want to create a clear image of the product. So there's a couple of things. It gives you a couple. You could create stickers. You could create all these things. This is free, to be honest with you. Great magical application. Instead of purchasing Adobe and other stuff, this is it. So we're going to remove it, and it completely removed the background. That's what we wanted. So we're going to save it. Save as a copy, and we're going to save it as I think D on this one. So D, we're gonna save it, but we could save it as a JPEG to PNG, but it's best either way, whatever works. So we'll close that one out. We got that one. So we got that side profile here, which is this one right here. Now we did get a close up and somebody else took a picture of this one. And I like this profile. It shows a little bit more details on this one. So we are going to use this profile too, and we're going to open it up. So let's open it up. Designer again. And we're going to see if we could get rid of the hand and it just capture the actual object itself and say remove background. It's probably going to include the hand. Sometimes it's human. See, this is what I'm talking about. It's going to include the hand. So that's fine. We're going to save it. Save copy. And we're going to go instead of D, well, we're going to leave at PNG. That's what I wanted. And then we'll do F on this one, all right? Close this out. Let's go ahead and remove the hand. Now on the hand itself, I'm going to open Photoshop. This is more advanced. You can do this on Paint too, all right? You don't have to have Photoshop. You could do other means and ways to get rid of the stuff. Do lasso. So we're going to do lasso. See if we could get rid of this. Get rid of it. And then I like to go into more details. So we're going to go into this one. All right, let's keep that one. Now we have H in here, but I like to go and Paint and crop it because if it didn't let me crop it there, let me crop it in Paint. Paint's also free, so just let you know that you're not spending any money for this part, but Photoshop you do have to spend money. But right now they do have open beta that you can use for free. So I like to crop the stuff in here. Try to get in as many angles as I can. If you have the product, even better. So save it. So that's a perfect. So now what we want to do, we want to bring in our program. We're going to do, which is the 3D meshing, right? And then let me bring in this here, bring it completely out here. We're going to do a new project. Image to 3D. That's what we're going to do. We're going to put the original one, the face first, all right? Face first goes in here. And then what we want to do is, it gives you a little example of here, how to make a 360. Upload your primary in the main panel. Use multiple panels. So you have to do this if you want to make sure that you have a better understanding. So we're going to open this up, and it's on beta still, but like I said, it's going to be working now. So we're going to do the back shot. Of course, it's back. We're going to do a side profile so you can see the size of his nose. And I'm trying to pick another one. We're going to try to do the other side profile without the gloves. So we got a couple of profiles, and that's all you can do. You can do a lot more, and then generate multiple views. We're going to do multiple views, see if let that system run by itself, and it's going to generate what it thinks it should be. So we're going to see them if it fixed them up. Let's go ahead. I think I should go back and fix it, but if it doesn't, we'll come out. We'll try again. So let's generate, let's spend some money, and come back in a couple of minutes and see how it works. All right, I'm with you guys. I'm just looking. We're gonna see how I came out. So let's go ahead and see. I finished it right now. It's looking pretty crappy, if you guys could see that. So it's not the greatest at all. You can get the back end. I'm not quite sure if that's even its back. You know, I'm gonna bring my profile picture here. I don't have too many of those, but we're gonna see if I could get a side profile of him, a back profile. And he has a tail. And this guy, this guy has a tail and he has a shell too. So not liking it. But details on his face are freaking amazing. Look at that. Just this thing, I'm not quite sure about the glove. The glove would be something we have to maybe do a different profile of it or something, but I'm not quite liking it. We can work with this one actually. This one works really well, but it has 2 spikes on this one. But I like this one. This one's actually pretty good. So actually we're gonna open up not mix slash, we're gonna open up mixter. All right, so we're gonna bring the mesh mixer, import it. There it is. We're gonna say main one. We'll bring that one in here, import it. So we're gonna recreate some of it, and I need to start by deleting maybe some of the hump because it might stick out. So I'm gonna do a side profile, select, bring the size of the pen lower. Yeah, that's good enough. So we're gonna cut this all the way here and delete. Yes, it's a big bite right there. You guys see that? So we got that going, and we could get rid of this third horn, but I kind of like it. So we'll leave 2 horns, and then we're gonna fix that right now by saying we can do a couple things too, but we're gonna leave as is. Faces there, and then we're gonna say on this one, we're gonna say analyze, inspect. If you guys notice, look at that, inspect and auto repair. So it's gonna cover the hole. We got it covered. I know it looks weird right now. Trust me on this, all right? So we're gonna say save it. We want to export it. Save as export. We're gonna save it, and then we're gonna call it YA for now because it's the first one that we're gonna do, and we're gonna keep it as that format. Save it, and here it is right here. We're gonna bring it up. So I went to Maker World to find a couple of things that I need. All right, so we're gonna recreate. This is at, we're gonna put at 10%, 10%, 10%, make it small. Then we're not done yet. So see how the back is missing? I went to Maker World and I found a lot of great stuff in there. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So I was able to find a couple logos, shell, and a hat. I might not need the hat, but because it does have a hat already. So we're just gonna probably just drag and drop a couple things. So what I like to do is open another one. I'm gonna drag here at the turtle. Import. It's gonna import 4 of them, I believe. So we could use this one here instead of this one. I like this one better because it has all the formats. So, and we're gonna do size it. So we're gonna put in here, and I like to do distinguished color. So the whole thing here is gonna be a different color. We're gonna say filament. We're gonna put a black or yellow. We just do the whole thing yellow. The whole thing. Well, it's actually gonna do that way. It's okay with me. So we're gonna get rid of yellow in a bit, and then we're gonna size it up first. So click here, click here, I like to see two different colors so we can size it up. And if we bring a picture of what's the size, it's taking a lot of space, if you notice. So it's going to be from here, here, where we kind of cut out. So on this part right here, we're going to stretch it out. I'm going to say maybe another 150 and then eye it up. We're going to eye it first. Kind of looks good. So you have to kind of do it now, because if you don't do it now, and I'm going to put it here. So maybe 160. Let's do 160. 155. 160. Let's do 160. 160 it is. So let me just pretend I'm going to put it there. Okay. Kind of works. So want to do this. Put it here. All right. We're going to marry these two. And then merge. Hold on. Shift. Control. Right click. Merge. Now we're going to go into objects, right? You see Yoshi here. We're going to bring it up now. Move that up. And if it's not right, you can always put it back. So that's good. Back out. But we're not done yet. We're just going to line it up perfect first. Like that. And then we want to do is twist it now. So twist it. We're going to do red. See a picture how it looks. Let's just get it somewhere near. Okay, that looks good. All right, we'll leave it as is for now. We're going to fix some of the gaps. If you guys know there's a gap in here. So we're going to go ahead and do something else. We're going to bring another one. Bring another one here. And I did download it, the actual logo from the same place. And we're going to go in here. Because in the picture, if you guys notice, he does have it like that. So in number 18, to work that number out, the font. All right, so let's go ahead and put this in here. Oh, move the logo, just the logo, not the whole thing. Move the logo till we start seeing more, right? Actually, we're going to keep decreasing the size of the logo. But look at this, it's embedded in him. This is going to be part of the whole thing. It's just a little bit off here, but it's okay. We're going to curve it just a little bit. All right, so we're going to do the next part, which is the Dodger logo. So let's get that in here. I just downloaded it. I'm going to put it in here. Say okay. Now we're going to size it up again. We're going to put it in here. It's okay. We can fix this. We can fix it. Go up. Rotate this one just a little bit. Because look at that. We rotate it, it'll come up good. So rotate it. The whole should come out. Dang! There you go. Look at that. A little bit off on that, but it's going to be embossed, right? So let's see if we could go a little bit further in, maybe. Let me see if I can move it just a little bit. Just a little bit here. Oh, that's good. That's good. Let's print this out. Let's see how it looks. And on the next step, we'll show you how to do the actual bobblehead itself. But right now, I want to print it out. Let's print this one out. We're going to save that guy. Control C. We're going to put them in here. Control V. And we're going to change the size to maybe 50% on that one, just to see. Control Z. We have the 50% here. 50% of that one. So we could just see it real quick as a prototype. And then we can start adding the names and everything else. And making it look like the actual picture, because we are missing his number. The glove details, I think I'm going to put a real glove, maybe a real details, or maybe more details on that. But right now I want to see if I could get it to a point where it works. And and I could fix this part too. I could fix this part, but I think it depends on how it looks. Let me just see how it looks. So let's print this one out, slice it. All right, I ain't gonna lie to you. This thing came out fantastic. A little bit of scraping that I need, and I made it really small so I could see how it's gonna look. Now it does have the 3 points. It's different. I did put the LE. If you guys can see that, and look at his shirt. So I downsized it just to test it out, and it looks good. So, and then look at that. It's not bad. I put the shell in the back. Really good. I'm really impressed with this. So next one, we're going to make him of a bobblehead, right? If you guys want to stick around, and on the next part, we're going to do it a bobblehead version of it. And maybe the third part will be us painting it. But so far, I am so impressed with this. So the 3D couldn't transfer properly, but hey, who needs a 3D when you could do this yourself? So using the right tools and understanding them can get you what you want. So for educational purposes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.